Hi guys, Bob Ruding here with the Mortgage Solutions team. I am trying to do a quick little 2-3 minute video today regarding credit scores, credit reports. How do I maximize my credit score when I'm shopping for a mortgage so that I can get the best rate possible? Now, I will post a much longer, more detailed version on my Facebook page and my YouTube page, but this one's going to be pretty quick. So if you have to watch it multiple times, I do apologize. I am going to move fast to kind of highlight as much as I can. So in the mortgage industry, we use three credit bureaus. We use Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, and we use the middle score of the three. So here that would be a 644 middle credit score, and that is what we would use to qualify you for a mortgage. Now, when determining a credit score, all three bureaus use different factors, and that's why they have a different credit score. Now, this particular scenario, it says that these are the reasons why they have a lower credit score. Insufficient credit length. Portion of revolving balances to revolving credit limit is too high. Level of delinquency on accounts. They must have some lates on an account. Too many inquiries in the last 12 months. Number of inquiries are negatively impacting that person's credit score. So those are things you're going to want to keep in mind on your credit report when you're maximizing your credit score so you can get the best rate possible. Now let's go down and quickly look at this real quick. So this person has an auto loan. We can see right here an auto loan. They owe $68,999. They bought it for $68,999. They owe $64,809. They bought it in May of 2022. So this is an account that is not very old, and it is still building their credit score. Same with this one, opened in May of 2021. Now here it says 30, 60, and 90. Now this will tell you if you have a late, a 30-day late, 60-day late, or 90-day late. All of these accounts are in good standing. Now let's keep going down here. Unsecured, paid as agreed. So this is an unsecured credit card of some sort. It was opened in May of 2022. The high credit limit was $9,000. Their balance is $7,400. So they owe about 80% of the available credit limit. This one is negatively impacting their credit score. They've only had it for 8 months, and they still owe 80% of their available credit limit. If this item was paid down to about 10% of the available credit limit, their credit score would go up. Now let's drop it down again here. Opened in 3 of 2019. Limit is $4,000. They owe $4,026. So technically they owe more than their credit limit. This one is really negatively impacting their credit score because they owe the max of what their credit limit is. So pay this account down, credit score is going to go up. Here's one, zero balance. This one is helping their credit score. Open 7 of 2021. Credit limit is $2,800. They owe zero. This is helping their credit score significantly. No disputed accounts. Derogatory items. So here we go. Opened in 6 of 2021. $250 credit limit. Very small limit. But they went 30 days late in September of 2021. Now, my suggestion would be call this creditor that would be listed right here, explain to them the situation, find out if they made an error, find out if you made an error, find out if they'll do a one-time courtesy and remove that credit late. If they will, send me the paperwork. I do a rapid rescore. We increase your credit score. You get a better rate on your mortgage. Now we drop down. All these accounts are closed with zero balances. These accounts are accounts that have helped them build their credit score and have increased their credit score throughout time because they have no lates and zero balances. Talks about what adversely affected their credit score. Monthly balances, they owe $95,000 and their limit is $110,000. So they're running about an 80% balance on all of their credit. That is having a negative impact on their credit score. Now drop down. If a mortgage broker pulls your credit, you are entitled to a copy of your credit score. TransUnion ranges their credit scores from 309 to 839. Pause it right here. Save this, screenshot it. These are some good links that you want. If you have an error on your credit report, this is how you dispute it. This was a quick 2-3 minute video. I wanted to move quickly. Save this one as well. It's got all three credit bureaus, their phone numbers, and their addresses if you have an error on your credit report. Now, if I can ever answer any questions regarding credit reports to help you get your credit score up to get the best mortgage possible, do not hesitate to give me a call, 801-230-3107, or visit my website, mymtgsolution.com. I post on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, you name it. If I can ever help you out, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thanks a lot and have a great day.